Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Asana to track LinkedIn content production workflow, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where you want to track your LinkedIn content production. Click on the Add Task button to create a new task for your LinkedIn post. In the task name, specify the content topic or title of your LinkedIn post. Set due dates for each task to keep your content on schedule. Next, assign the task to the appropriate team member responsible for that content. Utilize the description box to outline key points or themes you want to cover in the post. Add any relevant tags or custom fields that relate to content type or status. Upload any necessary files or links in the attachments section to provide additional context. Create subtasks for each step in the content production process, such as research, drafting, editing, and approval. For each subtask, set due dates to ensure timely completion. Use the comments section to communicate with your team about updates or feedback. Regularly review the project to track progress and adjust assignments as needed. Consider using sections to categorize tasks by stages of production, like drafting. Experiment with Asana's timeline feature to get an overview of your content production schedule. Finally, establish a routine for weekly check-ins to discuss progress and address any bottlenecks in the workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.